Hey, it's Sammy on March 4th. Today we took 7 trades on Dow Futures and made 344 points. A couple of those trades made up more than half of these points. We also had a break even in there, so let's take a look and see what happened with the data and the trade. This was a overnight trade or a pre-market trade. So we're coming in the market at 8 a.m. here basically. We've got some data. We're just trying to work our way down through this deviation level to this Gann level. And like always, we move our stop loss into a take profit or a break even position because as you can see, this quickly came back and we got a break even trade. Now we look for the next opportunity. So we had 5-minute support down here, a ton of divergence on the 5-minute chart and the minute chart. So we're going long out of here on our signature soda reversal trade. Watch in a second as we trail this stop. We still have very strong data on the higher time frame, so we're just going to lock in a quick 40 points on this trade. This is what we were looking for. We went up to the value area low. We're testing that area. We hit our numeric value now that we're coming back down through. Watch as all the data starts to repopulate going down the short side. This is how we use this data. We can actually read these numbers as they change. I like to have trend lines on my chart just so I can see how price is behaving at those trend lines. You can see what happens when the optimizer lights up. We're still in profit. We pull quickly down to this 8 a.m. price. We're gonna lock in 44 points. Now that was all pre-market trading. Now it's the open. And what I wanted to show you was what happens at the open when the data all just lines up. Normally we're looking for that little spike you see to the left there, but that happened just prior to open. I wanted to clear this overnight low area, this value area low. I wanted to break deviation and really get going. Look at all this powerful data. We're gonna go down to this orange horizontal line, which is a Gann level, and lock in 63 points. You can see we've run down very aggressively, bumping into that orange vertical line, which is basically the deviation 3 band. We hit this Gann level and price pulled back up, and the data is still all holding, so we're gonna re-enter for a short. We're really attacking this low of day in this Gann level right here. I'd love to see the market go down to support. However, I am just gonna lock in 36 points right here. All right, you see that green line right there? That is daily support 1. You can see we tapped it, we pulled back away from it, and look how much data it takes to actually get through support and come down and hit this level. So what we got is 6 time frames of momentum, 6 time frames of sentiment, and 3 volatility breaks. And we are in this trade. We've got it protected, and we're gonna lock in. We're gonna hit our take profit at 66 points. Now I left, I went for a walk, I had coffee, I had breakfast. The market was consolidating and poising to reverse and creates more value. You can only sell so long, so now we have our signature soda reversal kicking in. There's a lot of power in using a trailing stop strategy. We're gonna move ours up to plus 13. That way, if anything happens, we still have 13. You can see the short time frame data is kicking in and this thing just shoots right up to 100 points. As it pulls back, we're gonna lock in 95.